guys remember Jaws 3:14? We'll be in great shape. By the way, before you guys get into the park, I just want to let you guys know right now, but Bill and Ted has his final season this year. This will be Bill and Ted's final show coming to Halloween Horror Nights this year. It was announced earlier this morning about it. My heart right now is very kind of upset about it. Bill and Ted was one of my favorite shows here, but it just got worse and worse every single year. So I'm glad to see it to be last year. Hopefully it goes out with a bang. Also, the game of Jigsaw has been announced that it's coming to Halloween Horror Nights. I am so excited. Let's get all into the park now. Oh, good old fashioned Universal. So guys, as you guys walk into the park, you got one new light right there, one new light right there, and then one way over there. We're coming back to that one. We're actually going to go this way this time around. This is last time. Also, looks like the Jigsaw board is on too. That's fun. We already got some new lighting right there, and right there. And I think also come up on our first house for Halloween Horror Nights this time around. The extended queue for Shrek. It's supposed to be Saw. There's more lights up. Okay, there you got a 3D projection right there. More lights is right there. Our bunny light, there's more lights. We got Miss Rink doing a investigation right now. We got the entire gang out. We got the entire gang out. Got some more, more lighting right there. And right there. You also have, I guess, more right there lighting over there. I can't really focus right now because there's so much going on. More lighting right there. Here's the lighting. Pre-light plus. Come on, cigarette plus. You're gonna give me copyright on here. Prop shot time. Hello. You. Right back into Hornet stuff. Wow. Let me get a copyright strike. Got chance. The greatest lights. I thought Mel's dying. That's right, I said dying. Paramedics. Most people think it's right to go ahead and drink soda on a very hot day. And at this point in time, the stage has been completed. Well, I want to say it's been fully completed, but you got most of the lights up there, they're done. Most of the lights are done up there. You got the sound booths already. So stage is good. Now this stage will be used. This stage will be used for Rock the Universe first. Rock the Universe first, and then got this right here as well. Yeah, so Rock the Universe first, then Horror Nights. But and we're gonna put the Horror Nights up on there first, and then take it down, and then guys, return to reserves. And we are returning. More lights in here, and you also got pumpkins intriguing us too. Pumpkins. So looks like a year ago they got pumpkins now back up in here. Pumpkins are returning to Horror Nights. Like last year where there was no pumpkins. This is like Bounty's layer. You got you still got the poles up, nothing really new and fancy. Just pumpkins. And looks like got more pumpkins just right down here. But this time we got pumpkins on both sides. Yeah, just pumpkins. And I think that's just about it, and there's scare zone right here. Kids Zone, probably nothing too new. Back here in Kids Zone, what I'm looking at right now, nothing too fancy, nothing too spectacular, just nothing. So let's get on out of here. Passing by the pumpkin patch, heading into Springfield. Seeing what they got in Springfield. LED lights on both sides of the street. LED lights, LED lights. LED lights right there and LED lights right there. You guys still got your 2 tents back there, 2 houses back there. Yep. Still got this wall up right here. And I can see from right back here, I think like a wind charm, like a, what do you call one of those things? Not a wind charm, but one of those wind spinny things. I see one of those back there now. More like right here, something in black. Windmill, I saw a windmill back there, I'm sorry. There's been rumors that that's going to be a house for like the Scarecrow house. So that would look kind of cool if that's true. I don't know why I couldn't think of the name there for a second. Sorry about that. You still got that one house sitting right back there. Who knows what it's going to be called? Who knows what it's going to look like? And just right up here, where was Fear Factor Live, now Fear Factor Live is closed, and it's being worked on for the final year of Bill and Ted. If you guys didn't know, Universal announced this morning that Bill and Ted is coming to a close here at Halloween Horror Nights one final time. So, magnificent here, guys. And that's kind of sad here. And there, yesterday I saw, or a couple days ago, I saw a picture of a sign that says we're closed due to Halloween Horror Nights, and it's way back over there. Hold on. One of the signs. Fear Factor Live. Here we go. Here's a sign that says preparing for Halloween Horror Nights. Let's see this sign back out. Hopefully we get some of the better signs out sooner than later. And it was like I said kind of earlier, Bill and Ted is indeed closing due to the fact that it's going to be the final year. So this is the last year for Bill and Ted. So if you guys weren't planning to buy your tickets, get it now while you can come see Bill and Ted. So I'm gonna say, I don't know if we have to do Halloween Horror Nights, but they're actually moving. But you got some lights. You into the shade here, because I really can't say anything at all right now. But you got some prison there, you got some lights right, oh, lights right there, and right over there. And if we keep on walking along the inside of this, where am I scared of? Just about. Nothing's been done right here at this wall, but you got more lights right there. Or no, these are the same lights I saw last time, so. Even back over there. Sorry about that, guys. More lights. We are going into the Scare Zone, which should be called the Purge, but I'm not sure exactly what's going on with the Scare Zone because they just got lights.
Yeah, we're getting deeper into the park.
Glad to know you're going deeper into the park. So you got some lights right there. My festival right back here for Horror Nights. That should come out here later, but I don't see nothing. I know you guys are going to with me. Yeah, I don't see nothing. We got lights there, some lights there. I think that's it. I think all you got right now is lights. Kind of misspoken. I think you got some fencing right up there. But I could just be wrong. It looks like fencing, but you got just out there, there. A broken fire hydrant right down there. I got a nice fan right there. More lights right there. And then some more 3D projection right there. More lights.
They made this look like New York.
yeah, you just got some lights right up there, right there. Now Miss Monroe is coming to do her. Ooh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. You got an electric socket right in here for some reason, don't know why. And the last time I was here, they wound up having electrical sockets right back over here, and I don't see them more, which means now they're gone forward. So what to do? Here goes Miss Monroe and her girls to do a show. I don't think you're planning to see this. I don't plan to see this. And this right over here, you guys have this board right here. This is basically for Rocky Universe. That one big stage I'm really looking at right there. I'm pointing at. That's Space Rocky Universe. To make it for Howling Hornets. We might have some things that could be projecting onto the building there for dress room. And then of course right over here by Monsters, we got something right there. I'm going to zoom in for you guys. Right there. So you got just some more lighting. That's just about it. There and right there, you still got some lighting on this big one with me. Just about nothing yet. So yeah, hopefully by next week we should start seeing more and more stuff being set out. But at this point in time, guys, I'm getting out of here. It's hot. Alright guys, so I'm at Publix now. I need to do some shopping, so I'm going to end my video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new, subscribe. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this Halloween Hornets video. I got over 8 likes on my last video, so if you can try to hit more than 8 likes, maybe 10, that'd be awesome, and I'll probably motivate me to go back out and get some more, maybe like twice a week now, maybe. So I go back out once a week, let's go 2 times. Well, it depends what you guys feel about it, but probably going to be getting 3 done, probably like towards like the end of August. It's getting way too hot out right now, and it's cool, but it's, if you're trying to get water in those lines for it, it's kind of hard. But until next time, guys, thank you so much. See you guys in the next one. Peace.